Gojo's only the strongest sorcerer in an era where I'm not in. I'd admit I lost the first round for the violation, I might have to spin. He said he'd win, that ain't gonna age well when I'm full power, his chance is slim. I don't care about ranking if it ain't strength, I'ma show him why they call me king. Last thing that they heard was I'm a special grade abuser, blew up Shibuya, everything get burned. It's the return of King Sukuna. I'm not helping my vessel, I'm a real demon, not Kurama. I'd rather use his body to catch some bodies and give him trauma. Mada, don't move or die.